Hello everyone, I am Lalit Sharma from The Venkateshwar School, Gurugram. Today we will discuss how we can reduce and how we can increase friction according to our convenience. So let's start. Methods of reducing friction. First we will discuss how we can reduce friction. So students, by making surface smooth or by polishing, we had told you that if there are irregularities in the surfaces, there is more friction, means the irregularity gets interlocked and due to which frictional force appears. If there is no irregularity, surfaces are smooth, so frictional force will be less. So that's why we can make surfaces smooth by polishing. In this way we can reduce friction. Next point, by applying lubricants or oil or grease. Oil and grease are the lubricants, means they apply, when they are applied on the surface, they get into the irregularities and fill the space. Ultimately they make the surface smoother. That's why we can reduce friction by lubrication also. This process of applying lubricants on the surface is known as lubrication. So this is the second method how we can reduce friction. Now if we talk about another case, so we can apply wheel to the move object. We had discussed, we had seen that suitcases, heavy luggage are having, you can say the suitcase carrying heavy luggage are fitted with some wheel in the bottom so that they can carry easily, because if wheels are there, the force between the luggage and the floor, it will be rolling friction, and we discussed that static friction, sliding friction and rolling friction. Rolling friction is the minimum in that all type of friction, so it reduces the friction. If we are having ball bearings between the moving parts of machines, ball bearings can move parts more smoothly, more easily, so frictional force can be decreased also with the help of ball bearings. So these are the methods by which we can reduce friction. Now we will discuss how we can increase friction. So students, as we know, there are grooves made in our sole of the shoes just to make better grip with the ground when we walk, and it helps to avoid the chance of slipping. So we can increase friction with the help of making grooves in the sole of the shoes. And in case of vehicles tires, there are treads made, the same reason is there. It provides better grip with the ground. Gymnasts apply coarse substance on their hands. Gymnasts are applying the substance just to make better grip and to avoid the chance of you can say slip. That's why they increase the friction, and you must have seen kabaddi players rubbing their hands with sand, so they can apply more force, or you can say frictional force can be increased, their grip will be tight. And machine parts are made up of special type of materials, so if we want to increase friction in the machine parts, so they can be used with some rough surfaces or a special type of materials which are having larger value of friction. So these are the methods by which we can increase or decrease friction. So this is how we can take advantage of friction in according to our convenience. Thank you.